Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money on FBS Broker. There are a few steps you need to follow. First, open the FBS app and log into your account. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see options like trade, positions, funds, and more. To start a withdrawal, tap on Funds. You'll see two options, deposit and withdraw. Since we want to withdraw money, select Withdraw. On the withdrawal page, you'll see several payment options. The available options may vary depending on your location, but in most cases, Visa and MasterCard are immediately available. Choose the payment method you want to use. For example, if you want to withdraw via Visa or MasterCard, select it and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure to provide all the required information to complete the withdrawal. Keep in mind, you may need to complete the verification process first before withdrawals are unlocked in your account. And that's it! Your withdrawal will be processed once everything is verified. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.